Now we move to our second page of our 7 lesson in English, Pinocchio. So here Pinocchio stopped there in his way to see the puppet show, and that puppet master asked him here, would you like to join my puppet show? Asked the evil puppet master here. It means the puppet master was not good here. Evil means not good here. So he asked to Pinocchio, would you like to join my puppet show? Puppet master knew that Pinocchio is puppet. So he asked here, would you like to join my puppet show? Who said to whom here? Puppet master asked to Pinocchio here. Pinocchio happily agree. Here Pinocchio wants to joining with Puppet Master to show his trick to the people, and he was locked inside evil Puppet Master caravan. Here it means here Puppet Master show his trick, his puppet show from one city to another city. So puppet master bring here Pinocchio to another city by lock him in his caravan, and he wish he was with Geppetto. Here it means Geppetto. Here Pinocchio wants to live with a Geppetto. He do not like to live with the puppet master. Here now Pinocchio was comes in difficulty. What to do here? So the good fairy suddenly appeared. Appear means present here before Pinocchio, and fairy always protect to Pinocchio. Fairy always protect to Pinocchio. So fairy comes to help Pinocchio. It means when the puppet master was kidnapped, it means here puppet master lock him in the caravan, and Pinocchio was became very serious here. Now puppet master will bring me somewhere. So here he wished to come out from that caravan. So he remembered to the fairy, and the fairy comes here before him, and she had heard Pinocchio's wish and set him free. So now the fairy comes to help him and make him free. It means Pinocchio become free. Pinocchio was happy to free, and I am going straight to school, he said. He gave promise to fairy. I will not stop anywhere. I am directly going straight to the school. Now, on his way, he met an evil fox who told him all about a wonderful place called Fun Island. Now, in his way, he met two evil fox. Fox is also not good here. So, he told to Pinocchio about Fun Island. It means fun. Funfair, we know that funfair, the children feel very happy pleasures there. So he told about Fun Island, and Fox told to Pinocchio, now we can go in a Fun Island. There we enjoy lots of there. So Pinocchio forgot all about and gave the fox his spelling book in a return for a ticket to Fun Island. We know that each and every park, each and every wonderful Fun Island, or might be any theater, so we have to pay the money for ticket here. But Pinocchio had no money, so how can he buy a ticket to enter here in a Fun Island? So he had only spelling book, so he sold his spelling book. He gave Fox his spelling book for the returning for the ticket of Fun Island. So he buy his book to go in a Fun Island by selling his spelling book here. So, where are you going, Pinocchio? Ask the good fairy. Here, once again, the fairy comes here to help Pinocchio, and fairy in his way asks to Pinocchio, where are you going, Pinocchio? Fairy asked to Pinocchio, I am on the way to school, like Pinocchio. It means Pinocchio speaks false here. Pinocchio speak lie. So I am going to school. But when Pinocchio speak lie, Pinocchio's nose grew very long. It means Pinocchio speak wrong, false, so his nose became very long. Fairy noted he is speaking lie, so he wished he hadn't told a lie. Now Pinocchio noted he should not speak here lie. So the fairy called a bird very long and he wished he hadn't told a lie. It means here the fairy remembered to the bird of one bird comes there, and the fairy called a bird to pack off his long nose because Pinocchio was very sorry. It means Pinocchio says sorry to Fairy and Fairy noted she should help to Pinocchio. So he called to one bird and one bird pack up his long nose. It means a bird swallow his long nose. Swallow it means eat his long nose and make his nose like a real one. So Pinocchio promised never to be naughty again and went straight to school. Now he gave promise to Fairy. He will never stop anywhere. He directly go to school. He gave promise to Fairy. But they did not know that on the island little boys were turned into donkey. It means Pinocchio do not know that Pinocchio does not know that in a fun island, the boys, real boys, turn into donkey. Thank you.